Well, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Dylan, and this is Dilly Dally. Tonight, we're back on tasting king cakes. So, this is going to be a whole series throughout Mardi Gras. This is the second one of the year from Rouses. So, this is actually a crescent king cake, is what they call it. I'm assuming it's, croissant dough. So, we're just going to go ahead and cut right into this, and let's do a taste and see what it's like. Initial reactions. Seems a little dry, but we will see. It's a little flaky, like a croissant. So it actually doesn't have any, we were a little unsure about this when we bought it. It doesn't have anything inside of it. So no filling, no cream cheese or cinnamon or anything. So that's a little different. Some nice buttery icing it looks like on top, but let's take a bite. So I gotta say, it tastes like a croissant with icing on it. It does not taste like a king cake. A little disappointing. I picked this up because last year we had a Rouse's king cake and it was amazing. It was really good. It was not as good as my favorite, which we'll get to that later, but it was a good runner-up. It was very good. This doesn't do it, folks. So on a scoring model, we're gonna give this like a 2 out of 10. And they're getting a 2 just for their icing. The bread is kind of dry, as you can kind of see there. I mean, it's nice flaky layers, but it's dry. Feels like it was baked like last week. The icing is really good though. I'm gonna enjoy that. Probably take another bite just for the icing, but not this. All right. So with that in mind, stick around. We're gonna have more king cake videos coming up, and we'll see you in the next one.